Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in again. This is Dave. We're going to simplify this expression, and for these types of problems we just need to know some properties of square roots and your multiplication tables. So we're going to break this into chunks. We're going to find the square root of 12, simplify it, and then we're going to simplify 3 root 27, and well, square root of 3, that's as simplified as we can get unless we turn it into a decimal. It ends up being like 1 point something, but as you can see in these answers, there is no 1 point there's no decimals, so we have to make sure we're keeping everything as integers. So let's just get into it. So the square root of 12 can also be written as square root of 3 times square root of 4, and the square root of 4, as you know, is 2. So let's rewrite this as so. So this is just going to be 2 times square root of 3, or 2 root 3. That's you can write it as root 3 times 2, but this is how people do it, just like that. So here's our first one. Root 12 is equal to 2 root 3. Now let's go to the next one. 3 root 27. We're going to keep the 3 out here and just say 3 times. Now root 27, what's that? It's going to be 9 times 3 is equal to 27. So we can break it down and say square root of 9 times the square root of 3. And that's equivalent. Now what is that equal to? We're going to break it down again. This square root of 9 is going to go to 3. So now we have 3 times 3 times root 3. Or you could just write it as 9 root 3. So there's the second one. Now we're going to go to the third one. Now root 3, that's just equal to 1 root 3. It's 1 times root 3. And I just do that so that when we add them all together, we can see not to forget to add this 1. Now since we're adding all these together, it's as simple as just adding these 3 guys. So we got 2 plus 9 plus 1 is 9, 10, 11, 12. And because you're adding them together, this root 3 just kind of stays as root 3. It's just a property of square roots. So our answer is 12 root 3, C. And that's it.